Look at all these things that came from you guys. Check this out. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. See my just wake face. I'm up with my fat face and about to head out with my boy, take him to school and then get back and get a few things done. I don't really have too much to do today, but I have a few things on my agenda. Come here, why are you sad? Why are you sad?
Because I don't want the baby sister to cry.
He's sad because he don't want baby sister to cry. Okay, come here. If baby sister cry, if she cry, it doesn't mean that she's sad. It just means that she can't talk and she either wants her diaper to change or she wants food. So if she's crying, what you gonna do? Tell her, don't cry, it's okay. Mama's gonna take care of you and Tyler. Okay? His face is looking like this because I told him earlier that when baby sister comes, she won't be able to talk to him. She will just cry when she wants something. And he said,
Mama.
Yes?
I want somebody to talk with me.
Yeah, you have mama and papa to talk with you. Baby sister will talk with you soon. But you have to wait until baby sister grow up. You can't show face in my clothes like that. Say morning face.
Good morning, face.
He wake up in big brother mode this month. Ah! You wipe off mama kiss? When mama kiss you, you let it stay there. Like that. Okay?
Okay.
Don't be sad. Baby sister will grow up and she'll talk to you, okay? It's okay. And you have mama and papa. Okay?
But if the baby sister gotta cry.
Yeah, she gotta cry sometimes. Tyler used to cry too when he was a baby. Tyler used to cry a lot.
Yeah.
A lot. And he would never stop crying. You know that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to school. Early morning baby sister talk. Because he doesn't understand why she's gonna cry. And he doesn't want her to cry. And this is gonna be a process. But he'll get it. He'll understand. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna run to drop him to school real quick. And I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Yes, baby. Let's go. And of course, you guys, breakfast this morning is no difference. My favorite, fried green plantains and eggs. So good. You hear that crunch? So good. This is the only thing I eat in the mornings. This is the only thing I can eat in the mornings. And I guarantee you that I'll be okay. Anything else? Cereal, pancake, fritters, you name it. It's not happening. This baby, she's a plantain girl. So we shall do plantain. until she says otherwise. Anyway, you guys, I am about to get my little morning routine going, have breakfast, have some tea. Then I'm gonna answer some messages and tidy my house, edit some videos. Should wash my hair today, hopefully, but let's see. And dress, because I don't have work today. So home chili shabby. Nap and I'm up and baby D's hungry. So I had pizza for lunch yesterday and I have half remain, so I'm gonna put it back into the oven and warm it and have the other half for my lunch. So this is what lunch is gonna be right now. She hungry. Look at this stomach though. Jeez. She's just growing. This is all of 24 weeks, y'all. 24 weeks going on 25, almost 25. You guys, I have a few things to do in baby girl's room today. I have all these clothes that I washed to fold for her and sort them out by months and stuff. But look at all these things that came from you guys. Check this out. All these came from you guys, but I am going to do a separate video unboxing all of the gifts that you guys sent that came from her registry. I'm just waiting for the others to come, because on her registry list, when you guys order, I see exactly who ordered and I can see exactly the items that you guys ordered, and that's so cool. So I know there are a few more things to come from the list that has been purchased but have arrived as it. So as soon as they arrive, I am going to do an unboxing of all those things, and if anybody else purchased after that video, then I will just show those individually as the vlogs go along. But I just want to tell you guys thank you so much, and how much we appreciate every single thing and all the love from you guys. You guys are just amazing, and this little girl appreciates it all. She does. She appreciates it all. Look what you guys sent. That's crazy. Amazing. So I have some folding of clothes to do for her and put away. And I have some stuff up there that I need to get baskets to arrange them in. So I have a little shopping to do for all those things. But as time goes by, I'll get everything and it will all come together in time for her arrival. So yes, that's what's going on. The entire fam is home and we went to the supermarket to get our weekly supplies. Tyler wants water ice cream. Tyler, where's your water ice cream? Look at his face light up.
Is it Papa?
So we went and get our, this light is so annoying. I can't wait to change it. It's so annoying. To get our weekly goodies at the supermarket. So these are just some of the goodies that we got. Let me just show you guys a few of the things that we got. This is this.
Ice cream too.
Repeat that.
Anybody want ice cream too?
If anybody want ice cream too,
Yeah.
maybe later, but not now. No, thank you.
Okay.
This is this exact same soap that I used to wash Tyler clothes when he was a baby, and I'm in love with the smell. And it's the exact same one that I've been using for baby girl. Babe, you vlog this morning or no?
No, I didn't. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. It's the best moment of the week. It's the Friday night when you know you don't work for the next 2 days. You can just enjoy,
breathe,
have fun, and you don't even know what you're gonna do, but at least you just know you won't wake up at
early and go to work.
So I'd say I wake up at 5 something, so I won't wake up early.
Right.
I will just. Well, Tyler will wake me up early, but
that's norm.
no, that's a chilling moment. I'm hungry. I'm gonna find something to eat. Gonna eat. Gonna chill. It's been a good week. Nothing special, but yeah.
All right, you guys. So this is. I should let babe come and do the supermarket haul, since you guys love when you do the supermarket haul. Come tell them what we got. Come, you can just touch them and tell them what we got and what we.
Well, we got some chocolate. That's for Tyler. That's not for me. Chocolate.
That's like a confession, like you want to say something else.
That's basically that's toothpaste. Toothpaste. That's fish and chips. Like for Tyler, we're trying to find some easy things. You know, when you come back from work, you're lazy, and your wife don't cook, so that's why you get. Sorry, Tyler. Jamaican know that. We have that in France too. We have that at the hidden section. Hidden section. Corned beef. I never knew that is in France too, but I never knew that until I reached Jamaica. And it's written in French. I can't say it's not French.
Alright, show them what else fast.
Well, that's toothbrush, that's chocolate milk. Tyler can't go to bed without drinking that. It's a must. Ketchup, Tyler can't eat without having that too.
You push it there, push it strong. See? Good job.
Baby is having some craving at night and she feels for some sandwich. So
like before bed when I'm hungry.
Just a ham and
yeah, this is what
that's
I've
a saver for us. So it's a saver for me too. What's that, baby?
You tell them what it is and what it's for.
What is this? It's a prune juice. I'm not gonna tell you what it's for.
Tell them what it's for.
Well, I guess everybody knows what it's for.
No, so tell them what it's for.
What is not for me? That's the only thing I can tell you.
Tell them.
It's for you?
Yeah, I can't poop.
Oh, you can't poop?
No.
Dang,
I wish I have bowel movement.
When you can't poop and you need prune juice to help you.
I can't poop, you guys. You guys give me some remedy of what to use when I want to poop. I cannot use a toilet for crying out loud.
So she need that.
Need prune juice.
Hot pepper, not for me too. Oh, this is for me, I confess. Cookie.
Confession is good for the soul.
I love cookie. I love cookie.
You love cookie.
We have what we call in France cordon bleu. Don't know if there's something like this similar in where you guys live, but it's good. And yeah, some
bread,
some yogurt, Tyler's favorite yogurt, some apple juice. I love apple juice.
And in the other bag we have meats, just meat and fish.
Yeah, baby stuff. I mean, it's baby wipes, but it's not for babies. For Tyler, for babe, for some chicken and some name. You can see that for you. Filet mignon. Filet mignon is a good. It's been a long time we didn't buy that, so that's good. Yeah, some yogurt. This one for me. Some chicken.
Lazy chicken.
Oh yeah, this one is when your wife don't want to cook too, you just put that in the microwave and it's ready. We have a lot of things here that is when your wife don't want to cook. So and yeah, this last one is a fish. I'm not gonna show you because it's packed, but it's fish. Babe love fish. I like it too, but nothing compared to the way she loves fish. I can do without fish, but she can't. So yeah, that's the fish. That's what it looks like.
Liar. That's not true.
That's not true.
If it was looking like that, I wouldn't have bought it. Trust me. All right, you guys. Good job, babe, at the grocery haul. That's all the. I know you guys cussed me out saying that I disturbed his grocery haul last week, so you guys get his grocery haul this week. I guess it's gonna be a tradition for babe to do grocery haul because he's so funny, make me laugh. So yeah, that's what we're up to right now. Babe buy pizza for himself. It's Friday and your wife didn't want to cook, so I didn't cook. He's laughing. So babe gonna eat pizza and I'm just gonna freestyle. I think I'm gonna eat these names. Tyler already ate though before we go. So yeah, and see if I can drink some prune juice so I can go to the toilet. Okay. You guys, look what just happened. He's so tired. He knocked out in 2 seconds. Come, honey, carry him to bed. Babe's gonna bring him in.